Witam Państwa bardzo serdecznie, ale się muzyka akurat klimatycznie odpaliła.
No.
Trochę głośno może być.
Jest głośno.
No, ja jestem Niklaus, to jest Patrycja Mordora, a to jest ostatni sezon The Walking Dead. Gry, która, przechodziliśmy wszystkie poprzednie sezony i epizody na streamie, także i tej nie mogło braknąć. Dzisiaj jest premiera pierwszego epizodu ostatniego sezonu i tyle. I grajmy. Miejmy nadzieję, że będzie lepszy niż ostatni, ponoć jest. Taką mam nadzieję, bo ostatni sezon był mega słaby. Ostatni sezon wyglądał tak, że gdzieś tak godzina telenoweli i 20 minut fajnych akcji było. No. Pierwszy sezon, jak i ten ostatni będą najlepsze, tak? Zobaczymy. Coś mi się update'uje. Enkodowanie przeciążone, co?
Ale stodoła.
O. Dobra. Siema Stodoła, siema Martens.
Hej.
Także no już jest okej. Coś zamuliło na tym. Jak się gra wczytywała jakoś tak dziwnie. Subtitle size. Jak będzie słabo widać, to powiecie, to ja zrobię większe. W ogóle na YouTubie, jakby ktoś nie wiedział, co się dzieje, czemu w koszuli, to od 21 robimy streama imprezowego. Na razie jeszcze siedzimy trzeźwi jak świnie, ale to się już wnet zmieni. Teraz będziesz ogarniać.
Nie no, tylko tu poukładam jakoś.
Dobra, ja odpalam. Epizod pierwszy, są 4. Dawn Running, czyli że już im się nie chce biegać. Ciekawe, czy mieli zaplanowaną całą historię, czy przyspieszyli, bo trzeci sezon była kupa. A nie wiem. W każdym razie grajmy.
When the dead started walking, I was small and alone. Until a man named Lee became my protector. Lee protected other people too. But he couldn't save everyone.
Aha! Ja mam tu... O Jezus! Bo mi chyba nie zaimportowało save'ów wszystkich tak jak miało być. Kogo on wtedy uratował? Pamiętacie, kogo ja wtedy wybierałem? Siema Manlux. Może ktoś teraz na YouTubie akurat ogląda pierwszy sezon u mnie, to będzie wiedział. Carly? Tak? Thompson, ty byłeś tam wtedy? Przy tych wydarzeniach? Carly. Bo ona po tym zginęła. Dobra.
You could never save everyone. The living were just as dangerous as the dead. A woman in our group named Lily lost her dad, and then she just couldn't cope. She took the life that Lee saved.
Nic z tego nie pamiętam już. To już tak dawno było. We left Lily behind, we let her stay. Wzięliśmy ją, czy...
Ja ją zostawiłam. Suka.
Tak? Tak było? Kurde, ja już tak to źle pamiętam. Ale dobra, zdaje się na Arwaje w takim razie. O, to pamiętam. A tak, tak. Dobra, pamiętam, zostawiliśmy
Lee
ją.
taught me how to survive.
Faktycznie.
He protected me as long as he could, but he got bit because of me. And even in the end, he was still teaching.
Nie czasem o włosach? Tam wtedy powiedział? I ona się potem obcięła? Bo obcięła się, ale czy to dlatego? Dog meat. Dziękuję za suba. Chyba to było...
Nie, mi też się
Pamiętacie?
wydaje, że wozy.
Za $10. A, tier 2. Dogmeat. Potem dopiszemy, zapamiętujemy. Dziękuję. Mi się wydaje, że o włosach. Co wy na to? To, co ci pasuje. Ale on to gadał w pierwszym sezonie. I ja to przechodziłem, ale już tego nie pamiętam. Chyba o włosach.
That hair short, just not worth the risk.
Tak mi się wydaje.
Lee wouldn't make it. He knew it was the end. He made one final request. He asked me to shoot him. And I did.
Boło.
I met another group after that. Broken people, running from their past. There was a woman who gave birth to a boy named Alvin Jr. AJ. He made
A,
it. But the mom didn't.
było.
And I started to take care of him. But then, Jane left AJ in the snow.
Jak
I
na
thought he was
moje,
gone
tak
forever.
powinien
That was the
witać
last
się
straw
po
for
przerwie
Kenny.
w oglądaniu
And without Lee
kanału
around,
Każdy Dobry.
I had to make the call.
Chrześcijanin i niechrześcijanin Kappa.
Dzięki, Szkaliwien.
Nie przeszkadzajcie teraz.
To mogę ja teraz wyłączę powiadomienia. Żeby nas to nie żeby nas to nie wybijało z łonego. Dziękuję, ale bardzo Szkaliwien oczywiście za słupka.
I couldn't. And Kenny killed Jane. It turned out AJ was alive. Jane hid him to make a point. Knowing what they'd done, I still decided we were better together, for AJ's sake. But like everything else, it wouldn't last. AJ and I traveled to a new frontier. I thought we'd found something that worked.
No i
But I was wrong again.
to był mega słaby sezon.
They took AJ from me. Said I was too young to take care of him. I thought maybe they were right. I said my goodbyes. I regretted it later. I searched for a long time. Just when I gave up hope, I found him. We're searching together now for a place we can call home. I'm all AJ has. He's all I have, and I'll protect him with my life, just like Lee did for me.
Jak ładuję level, to mi ścina OBS-a. Ne.
What you doing there, goofball?
Pretending we got bullets.
Well, don't. It's getting on my nerves.
I don't like goofball. I'm too big for it.
Ktoś tu kurde dorósł.
Huh, so I guess you're all grown up now.
Yep. Let me drive.
I'm not
Chyba,
letting you drive.
chyba żeś ogub.
What's wrong? AJ?
Hungry.
Chciałby na Węgry pojechać, powiedział. Co mu mogę dać? Zabawkę albo magazyn. No to tym się naje i tym się naje bardzo. Dobra, dam mu zabawkę.
Hey there, Alvin Jr. It's me, Disco Broccoli. Word on the street is that you want to eat me. Is that true? Do you want to eat me?
Come on, Clem. I can't eat a toy.
Oh man, my feelings are hurt.
Well, my stomach hurts.
Sassy.
Masz, poczytaj se pani domu.
Here, practice your reading.
But I don't wanna.
It'll take your mind off your stomach.
Zaraz się tym autem rozdupczą, albo
Oven.
przejadą coś będzie.
Place cream, vanilla beans into a saucepan and bring to a boil.
On second thought, never mind. That's only gonna make you hungrier.
Super. Super do poczytania. A przecież są...
Here you go. About all we got.
What about you?
Go for it. We'll find something else soon.
Ile ona ma lat
I
teraz?
believe you.
Już chyba jest dorosła. Chyba już więcej jak 18. Albo z 18 na pewno. No już jest pełnoletnia w każdym razie, wydaje mi się. - 17, no to blisko.
Tak wygląda.
We gonna do it?
Think so.
Looks clear.
We're doing it.
Zabawka.
No, najważniejsze rzeczywiście.
We need water too.
Czyli i tak mogę wszystko wziąć. Aha, nie mogę. No dobrze.
All right. Let's find some food.
Dobra, i tak się chodzi. Ściszę to, bo jest momentami jest okropnie głośno. A no, bo jest, kurde. O. Napisy są w OK rozmiarze, czy większe potrzebujecie? Chociaż akurat powinno być widać je, wydaje mi się, na tej rozdziałce. To już jak jesteśmy tutaj, to ja tutaj dopiszę te suby, za które bardzo dziękuję oczywiście. Dobre są napisy. To dobrze. Dobra. Grafika w ogóle jest fajna. Jest taka bardziej jak jedynka mi wygląda. Co my tu mamy? Friendly ring
the
bell.
bell.
What does it mean?
It means the people here shoot first.
Consider consequences before taking action. A to nie. To jeszcze nie w takim razie. Aha, tam już nie mogę pójść, chamsko ograniczyć. Nie, dobra, to tak może jednak nie. Siema mikser. Dobra, to zadzwonimy.
What are you doing?
A, tak średnio bym powiedział. Nie do końca o to się rozchodziło. Use the mouse to look around. Dobra, no kurde, zaklupiemy go, nie jest to żaden wielki wyczyn.
AJ, stay back.
Stun cute to kill. Jaki kurde stun? Ciul go na pipę.
It's down. Still with me?
Still here.
Stanować obcego,
Let's
jakiego
get
obcego?
in there.
Zombika. Shift to run. Dobra, bierzemy pierwsze na placu mamy.
Monster trap?
It's not a trap. You swing on it. For fun? You get in the tire and someone pushes you so that you go really high.
Oh, I want to try. After we clear this place.
Patrzcie jaki mądry. Wyrósł. Czacha. Dymi. Deer Skull.
Interesting.
Pierw praca, później zabawa, dokładnie. Possibly hood ornament. Co jak naleci ci krew do buzi? Siema Algernon.
Hejka.
Ale to nie było tak chyba, że jak ci, nie wiem, jak było te zarażenie? To jakby co, naleciało krwi do gęby, to by się już zamieniło w zombie? Oni chyba musieli być ugryzieni jakoś tak, to nie ma, chociaż nie wiem w sumie. Ciężko stwierdzić. Nigdy jeszcze w rzeczywistym życiu nie było plagi zombie, także ciężko stwierdzić. Siema Weneryk. Poszlupiemy w hasiokach. Do krwi musi się dostać wirus, no właśnie. To jakbyście na przykład skaleczyli się i dotknęli krwi od niego, no to tak jak przy HIV-ie trochę pewnie. Aha, że mogę się napić wody takiej brudnej. No ja bym tego nie pił. Chociaż, Patty, co myślisz?
Nie.
Nie.
Jakby to był ktoś inny niż Clem, to spoko.
Look at garden.
Whoever used to grow things here is long gone.
No ja serialu nie oglądałem, ani nie czytałem komiksu, to nie wiem, ja tylko grałem w gry.
Serial to tylko dwa pierwsze sezony, a później nuda.
U Romero i TWD wszyscy ludzie są nosicielami wirusa, który powoduje reanimację po śmierci bez przyczyny śmierci. Aha. A, czyli możemy sobie te... No przecież oni się nawet flakami od tych zombie smarowali. Było, że się rozpruwali im bebechy i smarowali się flakami, bo dzięki temu zombie ich nie odróżniały od innych zombie. Było tak. Ej, a w ogóle to ja mam taką koncepcję, żeby nas przenieść tutaj. Bo zasłaniamy tutaj trochę jej. I to jest słuszna koncepcja. O, tylko że teraz nas zrobię tak. O. Teraz to ta. Było. Pry open.
What do we do inside a new place?
We listen for monsters.
After that?
Uh,
Come on, you remember. We... Inside a new place? We always
No chyba
find
Find
a
a
way
way
out.
way out, no.
That's right.
Ja bym tak zrobił. Tak, ogrywałem drugi sezon. Wszystkie The Walking Deady są na YouTubie nagrane. U mnie, także wszystko można znaleźć bez problemu. O kurwa.
O Jezu.
monsters. All tied up. They can't get us?
No, they can't.
Front door is the only way out. This one's locked.
Security door. Can't pry that open. I know you're hungry. I am too. We'll find something. I promise. I bet this opens the lock. That's not happening.
Znaczy, no ja bym ich na wszelki wypadek...
Please leave us alone. This is what we wanted. Poison.
Did they give up?
They wanted to leave this world together, holding hands in their own home.
Will we have a home?
We'll see.
Czyli się otruli, a potem się przemienili. No to tak trochę przypałowo, tak czy srak. Dobra.
Do we get the key?
It's risky. Might be another way through that door. Let's look around.
Let's be smart.
That's right.
Znaczy, no ja bym ich zadupczył po prostu, nie? Bo i tak już nic z tego nie będzie, ale... Nie dali takiej opcji, przynajmniej na razie.
No, teraz będzie pewnie.
Przecież już nie żyją, no właśnie.
Too small to crawl through. Well, for me. The key or the window. Those are our options.
It's dark in there. We should kill the monsters. They're not people.
To
Well, they
przeszkadza.
used to be people. And as people, they asked to be left alone.
So what's best?
No ale przecież oni i tak nie żyją już.
No.
Zasadniczo to, kurde, to już
I'll
nie
get
ma
the
nic
key.
wspólnego z ludźmi. Im to już nie zrobi żadnej różnicy. W każdym razie.
Zginęli, to zginęli.
I'm sorry.
No kurde, sorry.
Come on.
Good job.
No to było tak akurat proste. Nie wiem, jakie tu w ogóle mieć rozterki moralne.
Sorry it had to go this way.
Im to już serio nie zrobiło żadnej różnicy. Skoro to są trupy i działa jedynie mózg, to czemu one akurat ludzi zjadają i czy oni trawią to, co zjedzą, czy jak? Znaczy mi się wydaje, że zombie to zjadają wszystko. Zwierzęta jakby napotkali, to by też zjedli.
They had a good thing going here.
Can we stay here?
We'll see.
No one's here. No one's ever anywhere.
Czy honorujemy
It's always just
testamenty?
monsters.
No honorujemy testamenty, ale kurde...
There aren't that many people left, kiddo.
Ale w sytuacji inwazji zombie się
That's
wszystko
sad.
trochę zmienia na
How many
świecie.
did there used to be?
So many.
Just a few.
Remember what we said? You know this. Save the last...
Save the last bullet for myself.
That's right.
Pokierowałem się
Come on,
złotą
let's
zasadą
keep
wszystkich
looking.
filmów
There's
o
gotta
zombie,
be something we can
obcego i innych,
Hope so.
gdzie są straszliwe, gdzie człowiek ma się umierać w straszliwych cierpieniach. Chyba dobrze. Dobra. Can.
Spoiled.
Siema,
Sorry,
majster.
buddy. These are long gone.
Fuck.
Kurde,
Hey,
no.
watch the swears.
Bo to, że jest inwazja zombie, to
I
nie
mean,
znaczy, że kurde kultura się ten...
Look.
No.
Hej, majster.
No widzisz, Kijana, czyli wszystko żerą.
Something under here.
Floor door?
Yeah. I must have wanted to hide something.
Maszketyn. Musimy sobie już poświecić światło.
That's a lot of stuff.
Yeah, it is. We could eat for weeks with this much. It's rigged! AJ!
Tego... żem się nie spodziewał.
Pełno zombiaków teraz idzie.
No. I po jedzeniu.
Monsters.
Muzyka.
Oh, shoot.
We need to get back to the car. You know what to do. Stick to the sides and be my eyes while I clear a path.
Dobra, jadymy z koksem. Kurde.
Patrz, co ten zrobił?
Let's get to the car.
Kurde, bieg i gazu. Ja pierdaczę. O ty kur...
Synek.
No. Nie zdążyłem.
Clem, look! The keys!
Znaczy, wydaje mi się, że klikłem i tak, ale to tak miało być.
AJ, buckle up.
Tu jest akcji więcej przez ile? Przez pół godziny akcji więcej niż przez cały sezon ostatni.
No. Nadrobili.
No.
O,
Cięcie. Znaczy, wydaje mi się, że jak przyjdzie co do czego, to nie będzie jednak ostatni sezon, tak jak na przykład było z ostatnim Harrym Potterem i tak dalej. Że jak tam przyciśnie hajs, to będą następne wychodziły. Bez sensu była ta pułapka w schowku z jedzeniem.
mi się wydaje, że to nie była pułapka. Tylko ktoś tam rzucił. Siedział.
Chyba, że nie wiem, czy zombie chyba nie jedzą takich pokarmów normalnych. No to jak tamci się otruli, to faktycznie trochę bez sensu. Siema, Ania.
Heja!
What is this place?
O, Kijana zależy. Różnie. Ciężko powiedzieć. Coś tak właśnie czułem.
Shit.
Trzeba coś podstawić sobie.
This'll do.
Palette knife. Sharp enough. Co? Lekko.
Łatwo.
Aha.
Drop the knife. Now!
You do the same.
Karwasz twarz.
We're not gonna hurt you. We've got your boy, he's safe. If you want to see him again, you'll drop that knife. Now. I'm not fucking around.
Dobra, podroczymy się.
Let's make a deal. You lower yours, I'll lower mine.
On the count of 3. 1,
Czuję...
2, 3.
A, dobra. Myślałem, że mi dadzą wybór też.
Good. That's good. See? All good here. Look, if we wanted to hurt you, we would have by now. Considering the circumstances, I'll let this little standoff slide. But you only get 1 strike. Now, you're gonna behave so I can take you to see your boy?
Boom, headshot.
Because if you really want to fight,
Hey, Jace, okay? Take me to him, now.
Jesus, you don't bend, do you? All right, since you asked so nicely. Sorry about locking the door and tying you to the bed and all. You were in pretty rough shape when we found you. We had to take precautions, you know, just in case. But you're safe now, and so's your friend. I'm Marlon. That's Tennessee, but call him 10 for short. He's the one been taking care of you. He doesn't talk much.
Clementine.
Come on, let's go see your boy.
Mogliśmy zrobić niebieskie oczy.
Czeski piłkarz, no. Taki fris. Kiedyś takie były modne.
Bry Snoop.
Siema, The Snoop.
So you've been surviving out there a while, huh?
Yeah, we've been on the road a long time.
Take it you know how to handle yourself? Don't usually see people our age alone out in the wild. I can't imagine what that must have been like,
Sure, I do what I can to get by.
no matter what. Hey, don't worry about it. We all do what we have to.
Gang dzieciaków.
Siema, Domi.
Siema.
It's good we found you when we did. It wasn't easy getting you two out of that wreck. Walkers were on the way.
The car, was it totaled?
Yeah,
Fuck.
had to work fast. I don't know what would have happened if we hadn't seen the smoke.
I appreciate it.
All alone with the kid?
O Jezu.
Not a pleasant thought. I've seen some rough scenes.
Hi there? What's his problem?
You're just new. I mean, we haven't seen anything like you in ever.
What is this place?
You can probably tell it used to be a school. Now it's whatever we want it to be.
And who's in charge?
Well, I am. It probably sounds strange, kids run by a kid, but we do all right for ourselves. We've got good walls, good defenses, and a good location too. No one really comes out this way anymore. We've carved ourselves the perfect camp. Kids are safe here. We make sure of it.
No adults. At all.
It wasn't always like this though. People leave, they die. There's less of us all around. I got us a system in place that works well enough. Allow me to make it formal. Welcome to Erickson's boarding school for troubled youth. You and your boy, feels like you both fit that description. It's hard to survive too long these days without being a bit troubled.
Kurde, my są święci.
You got me and AJ all wrong, Marlon. Couple of pure angels.
Jury's still out on you, but an angel your boy is decidedly not. He's been a little terror since he arrived.
Excuse me?
Let's just say he hasn't been happy without you around. At all.
Yo! Marlon! We got walkers on the fence!
Shit. I need to take care of this. Knowing Willie, it's probably 2 grandma walkers and an angry squirrel. You got bigger fish. The kid's inside. Think he's with Lewis.
Lewis?
Oh, right. Just listen for the music. You'll find him. Get a move on, Willie! Where's your damn weapon?
Follow the music. Check.
Where all that's left is up to go Erickson.
Nope. Music sounds like it's coming from this floor.
Ale ja chcę wejść wyżej. Ja chcę exploration terenu. Jak w RPGach.
You little motherfucker! Hey! Hey! About time you woke up! Your little boy just bit me! He's lucky I didn't take a boot to his head. Nearly
No,
took a
żeś se
chunk out
zasłużyła.
of me.
AJ's a good kid. You must have provoked him.
Tapping him on the shoulder ain't provoking. This is what I get for trying to be nice to the kid? Well, screw you both.
To kurde wal się. Naryło. Bambaryło.
Clem! You're okay.
Grubaska jak...
I was afraid you were...
You seem to be doing pretty well yourself.
Were you worried?
You have no idea, kiddo.
Pierwszy zginie czarny, ale nie będzie to on.
AJ, listen to me. That girl out there says you bit her. Is that true? Answer me, AJ. Did you bite her?
Twardą ręką trzeba go
I
wychowywać.
didn't mean to. She
Są
snuck up
ciężkie,
on me.
ciężkie czasy.
Still, no more
Jak
bites.
ze psa, nie?
No more bites.
You're not dead. That's good. Watch the kid for you.
My name is AJ.
Czy tu będzie jakiś
Excuse
interracial?
me. I watched AJ for you.
Thanks. I appreciate it.
No problem. Well, not no problem. He was a bit of a handful. But I got off light compared to what Ruby went through.
AJ doesn't like people coming up behind him.
Don't ever do it.
Loud and clear, little man. Thankfully, I was here to calm him down with my alluring music. I'm Lewis.
Clementine.
No
Oh,
kiss.
yeah. Totally forgot. Marlon left your bag in here somewhere.
Don't worry. I got it.
Nerwarien, czarnoskóry Nerwarien pianista. Jeżeli ma taki temperament jak prawdziwy Nerwarien, to zginie pierwszy. Oczywiście nie mam nic do Nerwariena, żeby nie... Ale to jest raczej taki szachista.
Does he know what that is?
It's dirty.
Gościu,
Clean it.
o co ty
Maybe
się...
later. Back you go.
Where it belongs.
Dude, that can't be a good idea. That thing's bigger than him. Is it actually loaded?
Co ty wiesz?
Yes.
W nogach
Oh,
śpisz,
good.
I
Nerwarien.
guarantee he's a better shot than you.
Hey. You guys do your thing, I guess.
You don't know any others?
Well, there is one. But you're armed. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling. Oh, my darling Clementine.
Can you play something else?
Dreadful sorry, Clementine.
What do you think, AJ?
I don't know. It's loud.
It is.
Loud is bad.
Not always.
Come press this key. Come on. This one right here.
Idź se,
Go ahead, AJ. Press it.
naciś se.
Now press this one. And this one. You're a natural. Hey! You seen Rosie? Nope. Shit. We've got a bit of a situation out there. To ask, you just coming to and all, but could really use a hand. You up for taking out a few deadheads? You too, Lewis. Get your ass in gear. Fine.
Siema smaczny tost, na razie mi się bardzo podoba, jest więcej akcji jak przez cały ostatni sezon, a gramy 50 minut. I graficznie mi się podoba, jest taki podobny do pierwszego. Taki bardziej, no taki fajny styl jest.
Rosie! Where the
Chyba
hell is she?
Worldless.
You give her weapon back? Good. We're gonna need you to put it to use. We've got a hunting party out there trying to get back inside. We need our help to clear the way. Seems to be a few more than usual these last couple days.
It's almost like something drew their attention. Something like, I don't know, an explosion or a car crash.
Bye.
What? Just saying. There's
Masz,
gotta be
kurwa,
some
problem.
explanation.
Are you insinuating something?
You know, just speculating.
Hello, Clementine. I'm Violet. Nice to meet you.
What he said.
All right, boys and girls, they're starting to fill in.
Come on.
Be careful out there. Don't mind Violet. She, grows on you. I promise.
O, fajna broń.
This? It's a chair leg. I call it Cheryl's.
Clay, let me help.
I need you to watch my back. Call out from inside if you see anything. Cool?
Okay.
Cool.
See you on the other side.
Dobra, jadymy z tematem.
Nice one, Clementine! Could use a little more finesse, though. Watch and learn. Hey, over here! Follow me! And
Siema,
that's
Rufinus.
how you school a walker. There's a whole bunch of traps laying around this area for these asshats. They're all marked, so keep a lookout.
Dobra, hono. Fajne, podoba mi się. A tego co diabło, tak? O cholera. A.
Looks like they made it back in one piece. Come on, meet him halfway.
Ale to nie ma w ogóle nic wspólnego z serialem, jak chodzi o postacie. Totalnie. To jest całkiem inna historia.
Yo, over here!
Nice timing. We're not gonna be able to hold them off much longer.
No kidding. Where'd all these walkers come from?
We can talk when we're back inside the gates. Keep an eye out for stragglers.
To mi tylko 2 sezony pierwsze się podobały, Dexter, później już.
You know, you're not half bad
Nie dało się
considering the
oglądać.
circumstances and all.
Thanks.
Let's finish these guys off. We don't need them attracting more walkers back to the school.
Piece of shit. I hate this cleanup bullshit.
O. Jaki gnój. Nero.
Ale...
Good girl.
Hey, hey. It's alright, girl. It's alright. Hey, see you and Rosie are making friends.
Had a bad experience with the dog once.
Well, Rosie here can help you get over it.
Nie wiem,
She's as cuddly as they come. Oh, except when she's mauling walkers, that is.
Jaki umieśniony.
That walker came out of nowhere.
All right, fun's over. Let's get inside. I'm fucking starving.
You're not the only one.
How'd it go out there? How do you think it went?
Be nice, Asim.
Safe stone's nearly dry. I could barely find enough for tonight. We're gonna have to scout out further if we want food for the winter.
We'll talk about it later.
Bullshit. We should talk about this right now.
I said later, damn it. Still standing, I see. I'd call that a B+ performance there, Vi. You've done better.
Fuck off.
B- then. Now, Clem here. That was a solid A. A+ even.
Nie, jakoś mnie...
Don't be jealous, Vi.
Denerwuje mnie on.
Be better.
You did a good job out there too, Lewis.
You're too kind. And accurate.
You're falling right into his trap, you know.
Trap schmap. She's just speaking the God's honest.
So am I.
They're pretty good with the monsters.
Come on, y'all.
Food's here.
AJ!
No nie podkradaj się.
Yeah, you can't really walk up behind him. He's got a thing about that.
A painful thing. He can't go around punching people in the... I don't expect him to eat at the same table.
I'll talk to him.
W sumie on jest podobny.
Hey.
Hey,
What are you looking at?
what's that bird doing? That's gross. He should stop.
That bird's a crow. In school, they told us they're called scavengers. Can you say that?
No.
Scavengers.
No. Scavengers.
Scavengers.
Happen.
What's it mean?
It means they don't hunt like us. They just eat stuff that's already dead.
Scavengers are gross.
Oh,
I potem będą zombie ptaki.
I didn't mean to hit him.
Będą robiły
I
kupy z
didn't know that
wirusem.
it was Marvin.
Marlon.
Right.
AJ, I'm sure they'll forgive you. But we should go talk to them.
But I don't think they like... I can just tell.
No po prostu ich nie bij.
Well, let's try not hitting them for a start. Or biting.
He snuck up on me.
AJ, listen. We haven't eaten for days. The car is gone. All that's outside these walls are walkers. Do you really want to go back out there?
No.
So we should apologize to Marlon.
Right now?
Well, we can work up to it. Let's talk to the other kids first.
Help AJ make friends. Dobrze, będziemy mu pomagać robić przyjaciół.
There's that girl, I bet.
Yeah, want to talk to her?
You mean... say I'm sorry?
Yes.
She's scary and always seems so
Stoi,
mad.
tylko czeka. Przeproś.
You can do it. You just gotta...
No z żartem.
You just gotta start with a joke. Once she's laughing, apologize.
Okay.
Yes.
Knock knock. Who's there? Edge. Edge who? Bless you. I'm sorry I bit you.
You're forgiven, you little weirdo.
I did it!
You sure did.
To był dobry żart, powiem wam. Dobra.
Aciu. Takie urocze.
No i już, przyjaciele zrobieni.
Zrobią.
Yes.
Hey guys.
Clem, AJ, this is Omar. Excuse me. Chef Omar.
Hello, and no, it's not ready yet.
Omar's a perfectionist. The slightest flavor out of place and he's grumpy for a week.
You can eat or you can eat right. All it'll cost you is a little patience.
I'll let you guys know when we're done.
Czyli ci będą nas zawołają, jak będzie jedzonko. Beach i Willy.
Hey.
Hey, you're new.
I am.
I'm carving a weapon.
Yeah, I can see that.
You're good at that.
You like that, huh, little dude? You want to see something cool?
I wanna see.
Pretty rad, huh? That's how you fuck up some monsters.
O,
Swear.
ale ty jesteś.
I'm sorry.
Dlaczego oni nie są w stanie uciec? Znaczy jak chcą, to uciekają, a jak nie, to walczymy. Bo my jesteśmy odważni i my nie uciekamy. Sim. Co za imiona?
Hello.
Czy jakiś Żyd?
Hello?
Oh, hey. It's you two. Clementine, right?
Yep. A sim, right?
What are you writing?
What happened today?
Siema, Pała.
Chronicle everything.
Like a diary?
I try to think of it more like a history book. Those who do not learn from the past and all that.
You seemed really mad at
Czy będą
Marlon back
wątki
there.
romansowe?
We keep pulling
Przypuszczam,
back
że
the
będą.
safe zone. We have fewer and fewer places to hunt, which means we're gonna have fewer and fewer things to eat.
The new girl went and helped the hunting party come back. She...
Hey, zip it!
W USA każde imię jest
That is not yours to
dozwolone.
read, kid.
A co, w Polsce jakieś imiona są zabronione?
It was just sitting there.
Możesz się nazwać,
So?
kurde, jak se chcesz i dziecko
So
też.
it was just sitting there.
Not cool. This thing is the only place I get any real privacy around here. I gotta finish this before dinner. Not to be, like, rude, but, you know.
On nie pisze,
Bye.
bo my biało.
Nie no, czemu będzie dziwne? No była mała, a teraz już jest duża, no. Jak to w życiu? Nie do końca tak to działa. No działa tak do końca. Nikt ci nie zabroni dać jakiegoś imienia dziecku na przykład, choćby one było najgłupsze na świecie, czego... Zresztą pochodzilibyście do kościoła na chrzty, posłuchali jakie ludzie dają dzieciom imiona, to byście wiedzieli, że można dawać każde imię jakie się chce.
Brian, Jessica.
O, to jest jeszcze nic.
I'm not ready.
To jest jeszcze nic.
Not yet.
Okay. Let's talk to someone else. Hey guys.
Knock it off, 10. Heard you guys didn't have the best introduction.
Wasn't my fault.
10.
I did what I had to protect myself.
I was trying to help.
She didn't know that, 10. I bet you'd have done the same thing.
I guess so.
What is this?
Our graveyard. You guys still do that?
Kinda, sorta.
So, who's buried here?
Nobody really. This is where we buried 10 sisters' belongings. Minnie and Sophie. Twins. Lost them. Both about a year ago. Paying respects. Should we do that too? Maybe?
Yeah.
No,
I
kurwa.
think that'd be a very nice thing to do, AJ. Come on.
Thank you.
Social
Clem?
Butterfly.
Yeah?
Osiągnięcie.
I'm ready. To talk to Marlon.
Okay.
Uj, jaki byk.
Clementine, right? I'm Brody. He's a sweet little fella. Figured there ain't a lot of room for sweetness still out there.
Uwaga, gryzie.
Be careful. He bites.
Don't worry about Ruby. From what
Ruby.
I hear, it was self-defense.
Ruby, czaicie, że... No to dobre. Widzicie, jak można
really
dać
sorry,
na imię Ruby?
Can we please stay here and eat dinner and not go out into the forest and get killed by monsters?
Don't sweat it, buddy. You can make it up to me by teaching me your technique. You are a regular heavyweight.
Hey, Clem! AJ! Stew's
O,
done!
siema Ruby. Nomen omen.
Guys earned your supper after all.
Ale piesio.
Ej, można by
Pimpuś.
do walki z zombie można by fajnie wykorzystać na przykład te niedźwiedzie albo lwy. I inne takie, na przykład jakieś krokodyle. Takie hodowle by trzeba było zrobić. Wilki. O. By zajebisty pomysł był.
Ladies and gentlemen, dinner is served.
Thanks.
A mi się teraz wspomniało, jak chyba w drugim sezonie
Can't
było,
remember the last time we had a hot meal.
że byli ci kanibale.
This is
Co
really
temu jednemu ucięli tam chyba nogę i podali do zjedzenia. Czy tam chcieli podać.
No, tkłem z grupy.
No,
Come on.
to było fajne. Jaki wieprz. A kurde, se beknę.
Oh, good lord.
Enough.
Thank you.
Good night, Ruby.
O,
Ej, ona się nazywa Ruby. No to kurde, co za przypadek.
I'm sorry, buddy. I'm sure they shared as
W
much
pierwszym
as they
sezonie.
could.
A, okej, to może tak.
AJ,
a no,
heads
bo
up.
był
Tak, już tak nie
I'm
pamiętam
full,
tego
kiddo.
dobrze.
You can have the rest.
You sure?
You bet.
All done.
Mm-hmm. Me too.
Now what?
I'll tell you what. Time for something very important.
Oh,
Szkota
God.
będą
Good night.
żnąć.
Violet, it's time.
What's the game tonight, Lou?
War. The oldest game around. A game played by man and beast
W
alike.
sensie we
The
wojnę?
only
Że tak
game
ten?
there is.
Ja już chyba nie pamiętam jak to się grało.
Sounds fun.
Jakoś mega
How do
proste
we play?
przecież.
It's
To się
easy.
wyrzucało
Everyone gets a stack
karty
of
i...
cards. Everyone flips one over.
Kiedy ta wojna
Highest
była?
card
Nie,
wins.
tylko full
And the winner gets to ask Clem a question.
Ja cię w pokera nauczę grać.
I want to get to know
Będziemy
you.
grali na pieniądze.
We all do.
rozbieranego.
And what if I
Nie
win?
rozbieranego,
Then
na
you get to ask
pieniądze.
us one. It's only
Nie
fair.
mam pieniędzy.
Oh, wait, what about AJ?
What about him?
AJ pitnął.
Looks like he's made a friend. Come on. You can take your eyes off him for one card game. Bet you both could use a break from each other.
Yeah, maybe. This is his first time around anyone his own age. Sometimes he acts more like an adult than a kid. It's nice to see him act like a little boy again.
Lewis, if you would.
A, w wojnę chyba grałam.
No no. Co tam jest
Way to go, me.
Siema Szczurosław.
So, about AJ. Where are AJ's parents? You two don't really look related, so... What happened
Nie
there?
twój... No nie, no tak
They're
odpowiemy
dead.
normalnie.
They were nice people. For the most part.
It makes sense. He's a nice kid.
For the most part.
Hejka, szczurosa.
Hey, I win!
Hey, you do. So, what do you want to know?
O,
Okay, what's the grossest thing you've ever eaten?
It's pretty easy. Horse eyeballs.
Slugs.
Cantaloupe.
Come on.
Dude, I fucking hate cantaloupe.
I ate a guy's
co?
leg once.
Chodzi o Quantalupę, ten
I'm
owoc?
kidding.
Co, testo jadł?
Are you? Booyah!
Come on, spit
Siema,
it
Dylan.
out.
So, ever have a boyfriend?
Zaczyna się.
Oh my god.
That happens. Perfectly valid question. You can ask me if I've ever had a girlfriend.
A ona miała chłopaka?
Oh, I'm sure she's real surprised about that
No to
one.
nigdy.
Never.
A mi się
Not
wydaje, że
even
miała.
once.
Never.
Nie wiem,
Znaczy-
nie pamiętam.
Wcześniej chyba.
So,
Coś tam...
Clem. You can't have been alone this entire time. Who used to take care
O
of you?
Jezu.
Anyone?
JD.
The first person who taught me
Super.
about survival was Lee.
Mądry donate.
What'd he teach you?
Ale dzięki
Lots
za
of
piątkę.
stuff.
Most important thing?
How to shoot a gun.
Useful stuff.
Yeah, I taught AJ the same way too.
JD, jestem downem.
I win again.
You do indeed.
Jestem David.
Ask away.
Dobra, Patty, już się uspokój. Czekajcie chwilę. Dobra. Worst injury witnessed.
Worst
Siema,
injury
szef.
you ever saw.
I saw Walker get hit in the head so hard both his eyeballs flew out. Pretty cool.
I saw someone have their intestines pulled all the way out. Like, all the way. It goes on for a while. We got a lot of guts.
I saw this guy get his face beaten in with a crowbar. Badly. There wasn't even any skin left.
Ouch.
He deserved it.
A to nie ona? A to czekajcie, kto był zatłuczony łomem? Ten taki zły chyba z drugiego
Victory Violet.
sezonu?
Here's something I love to ask
Ten-
women in groups.
A to nie był ten, co chory był?
Out of the four of us, who do
No,
you think is
Carver
gonna die
właśnie,
first?
przez Kennego, tak.
That is fucked up.
Oh, I know.
Kurde, jakie było pytanie? Nie wiem, nie
Any one of
przeczytałem
you,
jakie było
but
pytanie.
certainly not me.
So sure.
Made it this far.
So have we.
Kto umrze? A,
I am
dobra.
the greatest card player of all time.
Just ask
Dzięki,
your
The
damn
One.
question.
Ever? Actually, never mind.
What? Ask it.
It's not a fun question.
Ask.
Ever had to kill someone you loved?
No kurde,
ja.
niestety.
Hey, she wanted me to ask.
Tak było.
Lee. His name was Lee. It was the same day I found out my parents were dead.
That sounds like a rough day.
Worst day of my life. I think I'm done playing for tonight.
Yeah, it's probably for the best.
You wanted me to ask.
Let's go, AJ.
Good night. Night, AJ.
Long day, huh?
Yep, real long.
I hope you know Lewis didn't mean any harm there. He's just the world's biggest dumbass. Yeah, he's my best friend, so I can legally call him that. You guys relax. Get some sleep. Feel human for a night. In the morning, come find me. We can talk about making this long term.
We can stay?
We can talk about it.
Siema, Barwinek.
Ma.
Coś tu śmierdzi. To pewnie zombie. Zaraz będzie jakaś akcja pewnie, bo to już koniec będzie za chwilę, zakładam
Only way
epizodu.
out?
Yep.
Good.
This box has so many colors.
Well, must have been an artist living in here.
What's an artist?
It's like a person who colors a lot, draws, does pictures.
You mean like tin?
Yeah, like 10.
Huh. I like to do pictures too.
Jeszcze trochę do końca, no to spoko.
Oh, shit. I didn't know Marlon set you up in this room. I just wanted to grab something from the closet. Where the hell is it? Oh,
What?
that's what I was looking for. It belonged to Sophie. Ten's sister. He was asking for more art supplies and stuff, so I was going to.
Oh, sorry, we didn't know.
No, it's fine. Don't worry about it. Honestly, it's just been sitting here for the past year and no one's touched it. If AJ wants to play with it, it's fine.
It's all right. She says you can keep it.
Okay. Huh. I see you're, settling in.
Yeah, is that okay?
Sure. I guess. I always liked this room. Sophie had, like, paintings and shit on the walls. Lots of color. And Minerva. She was really musical. Not like Louis, though. She had actual talent. She had the most amazing voice. Real bluesy. Marlon always joked that he would scavenge a guitar and the two of them would tour the country. That was a long time ago. Afterwards, Brody and Ten took down all the paintings, and that was the end of it. I shouldn't have even brought it up. It's not a good memory. Guess I just lost my train of thought.
Do you mind us being here? In their room?
No. It's okay. Yeah, I'm glad. I'm glad, actually. I'm glad it's getting some use instead of just sitting around picking up dust.
What exactly happened to them? Sophie and Minerva.
They went scavenging with Marlon and Brody out past the safe zone. Didn't make it back. It happens. Honestly, I just miss having someone around to talk to. There's just so many dudes. This place can get a little too bro-town for my liking sometimes. And I'm not exactly, like, a people person, you know? I know I sometimes have a habit of being a little bit too harsh.
Yeah, me too. First impressions aren't exactly my strong suit either.
Oh, right.
Hey, Clem, I'm an artist now.
Not bad, kiddo.
I should be getting back. Enjoy the art supplies, little man. See ya.
Yeah, see ya.
Dozo.
Okay, Alvin Jr., time for bed.
Okay, here.
For me?
For the wall, to make our home look nice.
That's a good idea, AJ. How about here? AJ? Hey there. What are you doing?
This is where I'm gonna sleep.
What? No, it's not.
It's safe under here. No one can get me.
Come on, AJ. The bed is way better. Oh, man, this bed is so comfy.
What about the door? What if someone comes in? What if they try to hurt us? What if they steal our stuff?
I'll keep watch. I'll sleep with one eye open if I have to.
You can't sleep like that. I tried. If I stay here, no one can find me, and I can keep guard and watch over you. I can protect us.
Hey, what's gotten into you?
Please, Clem. It's not so bad down here.
Weź idź se śpi na łóżku.
AJ, listen to me. It's gonna be okay. Please just give the bed a chance. It's soft and warm. I think you'll really like it.
This bed is really soft.
Told you
Ziora, że
so.
ktoś napadnie.
It's
Może tak
really,
być.
really soft.
Good night, AJ.
Tak, w sobie te buty zdjęli, aby.
Clem, This place is nice. I'm glad we found it.
Me too.
He's gonna let us stay, right?
I guess we're gonna find out. Let's find his office.
I know where it is. I'll show you. Up here. Come on, Clem, this way.
Hey, AJ, wait up.
Tin's here.
Hi.
Hey, Tennessee. What are you guys doing?
I was looking for more pencils, but I wasn't able to find any.
Who are these guys?
They're firefighters. That one's a policeman. She's gonna save the day.
But what are they?
These were the people who protected us.
Where are they? I've never seen one before.
A tam kurde walimy z grubej rury.
They all died a long time ago, trying to save everyone.
Oh, they were weak.
What? No, they were brave, strong. Now give it to me and...
No, he's mine now.
Hey, give it back.
No.
Afera.
You don't even know what they are.
Okay, that's enough, you two.
It's not yours anymore. It's mine.
No, it's not.
Fine.
Thanks.
Do you know where Marlon is?
I don't know.
Siema, Mr.
He
John.
should be around. I can go find him.
That'd be nice. Thanks, Ten.
Look.
Hey, what'd you find?
It's a picture of Marlon and Lewis. They're so little.
Wow, they've known each other a long time, huh? Marlon?
Misio, pimpuś.
O kurwa.
Stay back.
Whoa, what the hell's going on? Hey, it's okay. There you go. You said dogs brought back bad memories. I'm sorry. I didn't realize you were so scared of them. But I swear, Rosie's not as frightening as she seems. Sit, girl. See? She's harmless. She just needs to get to know you is all. Here, I'll show you.
I mnie
Do you
bajśnie.
trust me?
I mi udupi rękę całą pewnie.
Rosie,
Dobra.
Okay, I guess.
Nie można się bać psa jak się głaszcze, bo psy wyczuwają strach i żerą.
It's okay. She's not gonna hurt you. Here you go. Now whistle and tell her to lie down.
Lie down, Rosie.
Jaka umięśniona do Rosie. Jeju.
So cool.
See? Not so hard.
Yeah, that was pretty cool.
And now Rosie will recognize you. She's really well trained. She was the headmaster's dog, back when this place was still functional.
Pies
When the world
masny
went to
fest.
shit,
Good girl.
Bale,
Masny.
all the other adults
Byk.
did. Left us behind to fend for ourselves.
Wow, what a dick.
Understatement of the
Cóż za
century.
kutacz.
Now it's just us kids left. And I'd like it if you and AJ were a part of that. Both of you are plenty capable, and we need that. here. This is the current state of our plan for gathering food. We are starting to run short. It's getting harder and harder to feed everyone in this school.
What's the trap area?
The hunting grounds, more or less. Lewis built some traps out there to catch game. He and Sam are set to go check them today.
What's out here?
Oh, that's where we fish. Got a shack for storage right here, right along the river. It's secure mostly. You get the occasional walker or two come by. Vi and Brody should be heading out there in a bit.
That's the train station. There was a whole stash of food under the floorboards.
Oh, where you crashed your car. Pretty sure that place is a lost cause. There's a hell of a lot of smoke coming from it when we found you two. Walkers flooded in there after all the noise you made.
I didn't realize how much forest surrounds this place.
It's how we've kept ourselves from unwanted attention for so long. Well, for the most part anyway.
Jaki ciepły. W BF5, no na pierwszej alfie.
That's the only road that leads in and out of Erickson. If you go off it, you'll eventually end up in the valley. We used to have signs that led people to the school, but I took them down. Wanted this place to be hard to find.
The greenhouse.
Oh, yeah. Well, don't get too excited about that one. We used to maintain it real well. Had plenty of vegetables growing. But it became overgrown. Upkeep was impossible. Yeah, we keep away from that now. One more thing. See these red lines?
Yeah.
Everything inside is a safe zone. It's getting smaller over the years and food's become more scarce.
So,
Redman 812, żeby się lepiej grało 30 zł.
Oh my gosh, dziękuję Redman.
Goes outside the safe zone, bad shit happens. People die or disappear. I just I could really use the help, Clementine. Taking care of these kids, it's not easy. I'm worried that if I don't figure something out, if I don't fix our food situation, I can't lose anyone else. We've already lost so much.
Siema, Koralik. Nie, jeszcze nie.
Siblings,
To The Walking Dead.
Another kid die.
We're not gonna let that happen. I promise.
Thanks, Clementine. I appreciate that. I really do. Everyone's counting on me to step up. Be the leader they need me to be. I really want to be that for them. You and AJ are two more mouths to feed. Maybe you can help me feed the rest.
So what do you need from us?
Lewis and Asim are heading to the hunting grounds, looking for rabbits. Well, Asim will, anyway. Lewis, just hope he shows up, if I'm really being honest. Violet and Brody are going upriver to do some spearfishing. And hopefully, those two get along long enough to get some work done. Both teams could use some extra hands.
Fish with Violet and Bloody Hunt. No nie, no kurwa. Jakie fish?
Yeah.
Take this. I don't want you getting lost.
Thanks.
We need all hands on deck if we're gonna find any more food.
Thank you.
Just remember to stay in the safe zone. We need you to come back home in one piece.
So that means we can stay?
What? Do you think I was gonna throw you out?
Maybe.
Well, as long as we got enough to eat, you're both welcome here. Go get him, AJ.
Piona.
All right, let's get going.
High five.
See you around.
Tyłka nie obczaił.
Gej.
Hunting grounds are usually clear of walkers. Sometimes they get caught in the snares and shit, though. You see a ribbon on a tree, traps are nearby.
Jeszcze pomóc dziewczynom. Nie.
So watch where you step.
Please. I think I can handle myself.
Nerwarien.
I'm basically a ninja. Skilled in the craft of martial arts.
Też jestem ninja.
Oh, you too? I thought I was the only one.
Me too.
Oh my god. We got work to do. Not all of us have the privilege of being Marlon's lapdog.
Oh, ouch. Someone's a little jealous.
Ouch.
In my defense,
Ouch.
I totally get things
Ja
done.
powinnam
I
podkładać
just
głos.
prefer to think of survival as more of a
Ouch.
day-to-day task. So, you know, don't sweat the technique.
Kurde, gościu.
No one can afford to be short-sighted. You have to have a backup plan if you want to survive.
Damn right. You think you're clever, but you think way too small. You act like you're the only one with a strategy. I play the long game. You gotta have plans B, C, and D.
Potencjalny romans z Violet.
And what if you don't
To nie
make it
jest
that
gra o
far?
lesbijskich romansach, tylko o zombie. Lesbijskie romanse zostawcie Mass Effectowi. OMG, that's an enemy. A nie wisi.
No klępą się.
Hey, check this guy out. He's like a walker piñata.
Zaraz się coś stanie złego.
Cut it down, fix the snare, and let's go.
I will. Eventually.
If you want food for the kid, I could use a hand. Or you can mess around with this idiot and starve. It's up to you.
Oh, you can starve. So dramatic.
Help Asim or Louis. Nie, Louis jest irritating. Very much.
Come to hunt? I hear something rustling around in here.
Yeah, let me help you out.
Thanks for taking this shit seriously. I'll never understand that idiot.
Też podzielam te zdanie.
You a good shot?
Yeah.
Good. I'll chase him out of the bush. You shoot.
O Jezus.
Last time I was out here, it looked like one of the rabbits had some babies. I'm not sure how many are still around, so careful where you shoot. Aim for the parents.
OMG. Kurwa. Ah!
You weren't lying. You're a damn good shot. Gonna need a few more like this if we're hoping to eat, though. I saw some others run this way.
Looks like a bit.
Jezu, przypomniało mi się polowanie na zająca w Kingdomie. To było najgorsze na świecie. Kuźwa zit. Ach!
Yeah, don't worry about it. Better to save our
I teraz
arrows.
efekt motyla. Któraś postać umrze z głodu, bo nie upolowałem zająca.
Clem, come here.
A może tak być.
Look, it got one.
O.
It's a baby.
Well, all meat is good meat.
It's not enough. Release it. Let it get bigger.
I'm hungry.
So am I. But we'll be even hungrier tomorrow if we don't let him go.
Tomorrow doesn't exist, dingus. There's just today. And today I'm hungry. We're hungry. Are you gonna
I
do
teraz
it?
co?
I can't watch.
Bierzemy małego, cię wypuszczamy. Co czat uważa? Spytam tak z ciekawości wyłącznie. Wypuść, zabij. Łam, nie zabijaj, bier. Let it go, wypuść, puść. Nie wiem, kill, let go.
Więcej jest puścić.
Puść. Dobra, puszczam. A AJ będzie teraz wąty miał.
Bye, Bunny.
Really? What are we supposed to eat tonight then?
Ciebie zjemy.
I get it. I wouldn't want to kill a baby bunny either.
He'll thank me in a few months.
If we live that long. All right. Well, the snares have all been reset and are ready to trap things. We good to go now, or what?
We're gonna be eating lean tonight. I'll take this back. You two should meet up with Brody and Violet and see if they've managed to snag any fish. This isn't gonna be enough for the whole school.
I like fish.
That's great. See ya.
Follow me. The girls are probably near the shack.
Siema,
Do you
Maksimów.
like fish?
I once ate a whole shark.
No, you didn't.
No, you didn't.
Jego dredy.
Ej, długi ten epizod dość jest.
No.
Już godzina 40 prawie.
Where's Vi and Brody?
They should be here by now.
Clem, look.
Siema Gwiazda. Jakby co, to Drunk Stream jeszcze się nie zaczął. Jak skończymy TWD.
Vi wouldn't have just left this out in the open. Wait, isn't that one of our spears? Clem, lock's busted. We might not be alone.
Korde. To jest najlepsze, że oni z kozikami, a młody łazi z pistolą. Patrzcie, tak się włazi. Kurwa z buta. Ciul. Jak skończymy
Holy
TWD.
shit! This place is wrecked. All our supplies are gone. I'll take a look around outside. Hold tight.
Are we in danger?
Maybe.
Jeszcze ciepłe.
Cigarette. Hand-rolled. Is this a Bible page?
Clementine?
What the hell happened in here? Do any of the kids smoke?
Nope, nothing to smoke.
A ta by się zapaliła, wygląda na taką.
Thief? Oh shit. We just walked a mile of river and the traps were all empty. No fish. None.
Someone robbed us?
Oh great. And now we're gonna starve.
Fuck. That's... Fuck.
Fuck.
It's just...
Fuck.
It's okay. It's... Breathe, Brody. Come on. Come on, come on, come on.
Ta co?
You're gonna be fine.
Weź
Take a
uspokój
second.
dzidę.
Breathe in
Siema
deep
Wild High Style.
and hold it.
Just shut the fuck up, okay?
Excuse me?
I have to tell Marlon about this.
We still need food, you know, to live. We definitely don't have enough here.
You guys figure it out.
So what do? Eat rocks?
You can't eat rocks.
I'm aware.
Will Marlon kick us out if we don't find food?
Well, let's not find out.
Where else could we look?
Let me think.
Where else could we look? No nie dali mi wiele opcji, szczerze mówiąc.
The train station. It's not too far from here.
I don't know, that's pretty far outside our perimeter.
There was food in there when AJ and I passed through. It's worth a look.
You sure there was food?
Positive. Yeah, some of it was destroyed in the explosion, but there has to be something left. There was so much there.
Alright, fine.
50-kilowego psa. Nie mogą go zjeść, bo on jest do obrony. To potem by się zaczęli nawzajem zjadać. Jak w tym filmie o tych sportowcach, co lecieli samolotem i spadli gdzieś tam w zimie i zjadali trupy. A nie mogą... O, starosta, dziękuję za suba. Wyłączone są powiadomienia na TWD. Bardzo dziękuję.
There. That's where the food is.
Zapamiętamy,
More walkers
dopiszemy.
than last time, though.
We're gonna die.
It's either die here or die from hunger. Take your pick.
Ej, a nie mogą jeść zombie? W
Maybe
sumie.
you should scope things out. You know the place better.
Oprócz tego, że są...
Let me get a closer
Nie.
look. Can't be too careful.
Chyba nie mogą. No nie mogą.
We barely got out of here. It was close.
Sounds scary.
There's a reason. Could climb up there, but I don't know how that would get us inside. I need to get in there somehow. Maybe there's another way in. I used that bell to attract a
O,
walker
tu je
before.
możemy zwabić.
Try it again. They do like to follow sound.
You look like you got an idea.
The noise from that bell could draw a
Jakby
lot
ich
of
dobrze
walkers.
upiec.
If one of us climbs
No
up there
właśnie.
and starts ringing it. Lewis. I vote Lewis.
Hold on. I'd like to make an alternate suggestion.
Come on, Lou. You're loud, dramatic, a little annoying. You're basically a walking
The less
distraction.
talking, more doing.
Just get up there. The quicker we get this over with, the better.
Decisive. I like that in a woman.
Just stop. Stop. I'll go with you. Give you some cover.
Fine. I'll do it. But if I die, I'm making sure Walker Lewis eats both of you first.
A nie było czegoś takiego we filmie albo w
I'll
komiksie,
distract
że
him.
ktoś jadł
I
zombie?
see you guys reach safe cover. Then I'll try to redirect the smelly patrol to give you guys a chance to sprint inside the building.
When we get into position, I'll signal you. Then you can do your thing.
Good luck. Hey, ugly! No, not you. Not you either. Him. Fine. Make you
No tego to chyba... Przemieniali się. A, okej. To mój pomysł odpada.
got your nose. Got no nose. I'm just not nose. You have no nose. There's a rotten hole in your face. All right, someone get
Będę miała najlepsze KD. Kurde, trochę blisko.
nothing really. One more time. No. It's Jingle Bell. How
So
about this
far,
one?
not dead.
Really?
So far.
Nobody
I'll
knows
let
that
us
one?
know when we're ready.
You guys are killing me.
Mięsko smażone z zombiaczka na oleju słonecznikowym.
What is he waiting for? Come on, come on. Fucking Lewis.
Just give him a second.
We may not have a second.
I'll watch the door for walkers.
Do zombie białe czy czerwone wino?
AJ and I will sneak in, grab the food and get out.
Ciężko
Sounds
powiedzieć.
good. Let's make it quick.
Czerwona.
Nie wstanie. Oj, kurwa, wstał! On stał, stary wstał. O, dobrze, żeśmy tych tu zakatrupili. Na ament.
Yes, these will be perfect.
Jas.
Clem, look.
Naftowa lampa.
Try it out. See if it works.
Co? To taka fajna.
Gonna need your help on this one, kiddo. You still got your gun?
Just in case.
Just in case.
Ale że co w walizce? Nie rozumiem. Siema, Ścisław.
Good job, AJ. Is there more?
Co to jest?
Keep it coming.
Monka S.
Synek.
Jar. Klej do wąchania.
Kurde, synek.
I coś się pewnie... Albo nam to ktoś
Stand. Slowly.
ukarwasz twarz.
fuck.
Don't yell. Don't try anything. I won't hurt you.
Wygląda na człowieka bardzo niegodnego zaufania.
I don't have to.
Dobra, kurwa, no odważnie.
Do not fuck with me.
I'm not here to fuck with you. I'm here to get some food. Same as you.
No nic, trzeba go będzie zakopać. A to ten, cygarownik.
Gdzie ta jest? Blondie.
You and your friends made a lot of noise out there. Wasn't hard to follow. You live close by? You knew about this place already and organized some effort to get inside.
A to on to założył.
You messed up our traps, didn't you?
Guilty as charged. But it was an honest mistake. I can be a real butterfinger sometimes.
Siema Miras.
Siema.
You look a little young to be out on your own. You got a group? Count you plus the two outside, I'm thinking
Nie interere.
maybe more?
You ask too many questions. I don't like it.
Fine. We can play it like that. If you want.
Niech go zęby zdarza.
Now, I'm gonna fill this pack real slow.
We worked hard to get this stuff.
No to go na pewno poruszy.
Well, hey there, Squirt. Playing hide and seek, are we? Now that's impolite.
Don't steal from us.
I'm not stealing. This isn't yours.
I can kill you, you know.
Come on, kid. I'm faster than you.
Będzie akcja.
Listen up, Squirt. You're gonna quit pointing that gun at me and let me go my Mary. You understand? I'm just gonna take
Dobra,
a little
spróbujmy.
bit, then I'm leaving. Like it never happened.
Agent, get down!
No.
What the fuck?
Just take a bag and fill it up.
Good job, Clem.
On now!
Tylko mogła mu pistolet zabrać jeszcze, jak go chwyciły już.
What happened in there?
Just move! I'll tell you on the way.
What an action!
You are not listening to me. Marlon, listen to me. I am telling you, the place was ransacked.
It's fine. We'll deal with it.
Siema Grzechu.
Took y'all a while.
How poor are they that have not patience?
Sam! Mitch! Check it out! Food!
Zabierz lizaka, co palił skręty,
Observant
szkoda
as ever,
chłopa.
Mitch.
No szkoda fes.
I can't believe
Siema
this.
Siemko.
Look at it.
You're our savior, Clem.
Like, seriously, it's a lot.
Lewis and Violet helped too.
Neither of them ever brought back this much before.
Neither had you.
Where did you find all this?
The old train station. Clem knew where it was.
Train station. That's outside the safe zone.
We'd have even more, but we ran into the creep that fucked up our fish traps.
Creep? What creep?
Clem saw him smoking those nasty-ass Bible cigarettes.
He had weird, different colored eyes.
A, ta coś.
Did he follow you?
Nope. I shoved him into a pack of walkers. They took a chunk out of him.
It was awesome.
Look, I don't know if he got out of there, but if he did, he won't make it for long.
You attacked him? What the fuck? If he survived, you know he's coming back for revenge. What the hell? hell were you thinking?
Co? O co w ogóle jej chodzi?
This is fucked. How could you be so stupid?
He's walker food. Relax.
What if there are others? What if they come looking for him? You don't know what people are capable of out there.
Think again.
I just can't. I won't. Just not again. Fuck!
What the hell's going on here?
Fuck.
She took them outside the safe zone. They saw someone. You know what that means!
Enough! Just means there's a hungry guy out there looking for food. It's happened before. You are overreacting.
You can't be serious!
Come on, let's go somewhere and talk about this.
Dziwna babka.
If anything happens, I'm holding you responsible.
Czuję, że dednie.
Clem, I know I asked you for help. You did. But... shit. God, nothing's easy.
O co w ogóle?
No one died.
W czym
You
problem?
don't have to worry.
I always do, though. Can't help it. Well, at least we're eating tonight. For the next few, I'd wager.
No właśnie, nie ma opcji kontrolnego liścia.
Thanks for the haul, Clem. You guys should go enjoy it. You've earned it.
Dziwne.
Don't sweat it, Clem.
Ever since we lost Sophie and Minnie, Brody's been freaked out by anything that happens past the safe zone. She'll be all right eventually.
Still, we should make sure this is a one-time thing. We can take Rosie out in the morning, see if she catches a scent. You know, just in case.
I'm gonna go clean up.
I think I'll go too. See you later.
Alligator.
Don't worry about them. They're just sad.
Sad? Why?
Bigos Majora.
My sisters died around this time last year. I think it's starting to get to people.
Doesn't it get to you?
Not really. Dying's not scary. I mean, it's sad, but not scary.
Being a walker is a lot worse than being dead.
How do you know? Maybe being a walker is really nice.
I doubt it.
Me too. But it's not like you can go ask one. I try not to focus on them being gone. I like picturing where they'd be now, instead. Sophie was awesome at making stuff. She'd build a place big enough for all of us to live. And paint it too. And Minnie'd be playing whatever new song she wrote. I guess death doesn't scare me because I know I have something waiting on the other side. Someplace safe and happy.
Looks like a nice place to wind up.
Yeah, I think so too. A lot better than some smelly old school.
Who are those guys?
The walkers who killed them.
You want them there too?
They weren't always walkers. Wherever this place is, everyone gets to be a person again. Sometimes I draw the walkers the way they probably looked. Sometimes I draw Minnie and Sophie the way they probably left them. But sometimes I draw this too.
Can I be there?
Sure. You want to be there too? I promise I'll draw you well.
Of course.
Sure, why not?
Oh, I almost forgot. Here you go.
It's yours.
It's ours.
It's getting late.
Yeah, you guys should get some sleep.
Aren't you coming?
Not yet. I want to finish this first.
Good night.
See you tomorrow.
Kurde, długie to jest.
No, już 2 godziny prawie. Dłuższe niż poprzednie. Sporo. Dobrze, że wódka się chłodzi.
Stand back.
Królowa się nie poci, jak to mówią.
Time for bed, little guy.
Can I stay up?
Nope.
2 more minutes.
Tell you what, you lay down, and then we'll see.
Kolejne po godzinę. No może nie, no może akurat
You
nie.
full from dinner?
Yeah, it was good.
Yeah, it was.
I like it here. We gotta go hunting. And there were so many rabbits to shoot. Whoosh. It's nice not driving everywhere or running away. But the ranch was nice too. Before the blood.
Nie, nie jest jeden
This
epizod.
isn't the ranch.
4 są.
Do you like it? I like it. Now that I'm used to it.
I do. I really do. It's good to feel safe somewhere. There, you gotta stay up 2 minutes more. Time for sleep.
I'll lay down when you blow out the light.
All right, give me a minute.
Dopisz szybko.
No nie teraz.
So used to lugging this everywhere. Never knowing when we'd find any supplies. I feel a lot lighter. There.
That's a good drawing. He's a good artist.
Your picture's good too.
Oh, I know.
Jakie skromne.
Gwiazda, dziękuję za suba. Wszystko dopiszemy. Siema ASAP.
Siema.
I'm not sleepy.
Liar.
Dobra, Lulu. I to będzie pewnie koniec.
Zgasi i.
Good night, sleep tight, don't let a walker bite. And if they try,
I never let him bite.
come on, play it right. One time.
Bang.
Bang.
Good work. And thanks.
What's that?
Shh. What the hell?
There's voices in the pipes.
I think someone's in trouble.
Czyli jednak
Is it us?
to jeszcze nie
No,
jest.
no, no, not right now. But we should help them.
If it's a monster, we should kill it.
I don't think it is. You got your gun.
Uh-huh.
I'll be right back. Stay safe.
Potwór z szafy. Babadook.
farther. Basement. This lock's from both sides. Can't pick it. I have to find another way to the basement. A cellar door out in the yard.
Jesus Christ.
According to the map, there should be another entrance to the basement around here.
Find the cellar door.
No, wrong way.
Niech kończąca się opowieść. Wy byście się już napić pewnie chcieli. Wy już możecie. My już przebieramy nogami.
No, wrong way.
No to gdzie? Rosie, widziałaś coś? Nope. Nie. Kuźwa.
Gdzieś musi być przy ścianie, tak myślę.
Ale to ma być... No wejście do piwnicy to... To nie wiem. Oni tam mają inne piwnice niż w Polsce. Tu jest cmentarz. Bug. Siema Kuba, nie było nic pite.
Jeszcze nie.
Jeszcze banderola na flaszkach. Tędy nie. Kurde, nie wiem, o które wejście im chodzi. Są ściany niewidzialne. Znaczy, no tam w jednym miejscu. O, tu! No, wbijamy. Together. Aha, break the lock, sorry, a ja cały czas inspect puzzle. No ale to czym ja go mam rozwalić? Tu się jakoś wybierało przedmioty?
Trzeba coś znaleźć.
Ale nie mam tego łomu przy sobie? Tu. Cegówka. Ja bym posłał stąd. I dlatego ty byś zginął, jakby przyszło do inwazji zombie. Tu trzeba zdecydowanych kurde akcji.
I w ogóle tego słyszeć nie będę.
No będą. Ale zajebała.
got bit, which means he ain't gonna bother us.
You know he's not alone. Those bastards are back, and it's only a matter of time before they find us. You know that shit.
Nothing to you!
There you go again, getting so
What
mad.
do you want me to do? You're making me mad!
Oh, we have to tell the others about what you did.
Who's there? Show yourself!
Clem!
What are you doing down here, in the dark?
Brody and I were just talking. Go get some sleep. You deserve some shut-eye. You had a busy day.
Godej, co go dają w mur zasichle.
You're not getting rid of me that easily. Tell the others what?
Please, this is a private conversation. Okay? It doesn't concern you.
The man you met at the station. We got history.
Brody! Don't listen to her, Clem. She's acting crazy. She gets this way sometimes. She's just got to
Dej
tune
jej
out.
powiedzieć.
Let her speak, asshole.
Excuse me?
I want to hear what she has to say. How do you know that guy?
Marlon let him take the twins. Him and his people.
Brody!
10 sisters.
A to
I thought they
tak?
were killed by walkers.
That's the story we told everyone.
Shut up!
Because Marlon was so ashamed of what. What'd you say?
Shit. I'm sorry.
Shit! What have you done?
I'm so sorry. You're gonna be okay. I promise. God damn it! Help! Why did you say that? I told you not to say it!
How? What can I do?
Just stay with her. There's a first aid kit down here somewhere, right?
First aid kit?
Brody, it's me, Clem. Just stay still.
Nie no, bez przesady. Łuk ma brwiowy rozcięty, nie? To...
Can't see? Clementine, remember? Clem,
A coś z okiem ma, nie?
You and AJ both.
what danger?
Marlon will kill me if I tell. He's scared. And when he's scared, he gets angry.
I'll deal with Marlon. I promise you that.
Yeah, you will. You're strong. And he's not. If those raiders come back, Marlon said he'd let him take you.
Take us?
To make him go away. Like he did. Like he did with 10 sisters.
Brody.
Co? O, umarła od ciosu latarką?
Fuck. No.
A może jej tu przywalił?
What the hell am I
No
gonna
nie no, tu miała łuk brwiowy rozcięty, nie? No to nie wiem, kurde, ale chyba bez przesady.
Nieźle zarąbał.
Marlon! Marlon, you son of a bitch! Don't do
I'm
this!
sorry. I can't let you talk to the others.
Marlon! Anyone! AJ!
Się nie zamknął.
There's a gap. If I could find something really thin, I could force it in there and lift up the latch. Can't find anything in this dark. Yes, flashlight. That'll help.
Schowcie sobie wódkę nazad do zamrażalników, bo jak widać, to jeszcze potrwa.
Strasznie długi.
No.
2 godziny ponad.
A ta już się przemieniła.
Is that a... Yes, this'll work.
Marlon powinien dostać nagrodę za przywódcę roku. Tak. Kurwa. Ale to tak jak wiecie, jak w Obcym. Raz Obcy wyłaził przez pół dnia, a raz za 3 minuty. Jak sytuacja wymagała. O, no tak.
Hold!
Kurde. Sorry.
Drugi raz od latarki zginęła. Jo.
AJ, put the gun down. Get this fucking psycho away from me!
Where is she?
She's in the basement. She
Wiedziałem, że tak powie.
What?
Is that blood on your face?
Why Brody?
Did you see it happen?
Is she a walker now?
That's bullshit, Marlon! Clem! You killed Brody. You hit her so hard, her head split open.
That's a lie! I saw you kill her!
What the hell is going on?
Look at her hands! She's covered in Brody's blood!
Jesus Christ, Clem.
What did you do?
We saved their lives when anyone else would have kept walking! We fed them, we kept them warm, and this is how they thank us! Guns being pulled and murder! Well, fuck them!
Fuck!
Marlon!
Jesus Christ!
Screw you, Marlon!
O shit. To, żem trochę przesadził, dobra.
AJ, put the gun down. Get this fucking psycho away from me!
To się
Ty wojowniku.
To się wydawała dobra opcja.
He's in the basement. She murdered Brody.
What?
To są te zdecydowane akcje. Ta była zbyt zdecydowana akurat.
Why Brody?
Did you see it happen?
Is she a walker now?
That's bullshit, Marlon! Clem! You killed Brody.
Nie idzie
You
trochę
hit
dialogów.
her so hard, her head
Wyjaśnię.
split open.
That's a lie! I saw you kill her!
What the hell is going on?
Look at her hands! She's covered in Brody's blood!
Ale realistyczne dźwięki burzy, nie?
What did you do?
saved their lives when anyone else would have kept walking. We fed them, we kept them warm, and this is how they thank us? Guns being pulled and murder! Well, fuck them!
Fuck, Marlon! Jesus Christ.
You shoot me, and what do you offer up to your raider friends when they come knocking?
What the hell is she talking about?
He won't do it, because he needs us alive.
Shut up!
Brody told me Marlon was gonna give me and AJ up to raiders in exchange for safety. The same way he gave up Sophie and Minnie.
No i Shambo wyjebało.
Oh my god!
Shut the fuck up, Clementine! Let her talk!
Brody told me the truth, and that's when Marlon killed her!
Come the fuck on! They only met up with these raiders because Clem insisted they go out there! Quite the coincidence, isn't it? Shame I don't believe in those. First thing she did was attack you, Ten. Think about how scared we all were when the adults left. I pulled us out of that fear. I gave us all courage again. Who are you all gonna believe, huh? Johnny come lately and her little fucking lunatic? Or me? Your friend?
She did help us get food. What good is food if a group of outsiders just gonna come along
Luis
and
is
take
goofy.
it? I'm just saying.
You have to believe me.
You don't! You met her like 2 days ago!
I don't know you, Clem. Not really. I'm sorry.
This isn't like you. I know you're not weak.
Don't let her get in your head. Hey, what Minnie wants you to do. She was my friend too. So was Brody.
Clem, Shit.
It will all feel safer once I pull this trigger.
You were there that day those raiders came? He would have abandoned you two.
Violet being difficult. Why am I not surprised?
Put down the gun now. We're gonna do this the right way.
Stand down, Marlon. Be reasonable.
You don't get it. You don't understand at all, do you? I'm trying to protect you! All of you! Every fucking one of you!
How does pointing a loaded gun around protect anyone? Brody's dead. Sophie and Minerva are gone. You suck at protection.
Shut your fucking mouth! I made the right call. I saved the lives of everyone in this fucking school. If they came back, I'd do it again.
Excuse me?
I didn't realize we were so fucking expendable.
They told me they died!
I had to save the rest of you, okay?
You gave my sisters away. Why would you do something like that? I trusted you, Marlon. They trusted you.
Easy, because he's a coward.
I wanted to get them. Stage some kind of rescue. Honest, Ted, I just couldn't. I was too afraid.
You killed Brody because she knew.
I didn't mean to. I didn't want this. I wanted to save all of you.
Dobra, próbujemy.
Sophie! Minerva! I'm done.
Whoa. She kicked his ass.
You're getting thrown into the basement until we can figure out what to do with you.
Fine. Fine. You win. I can't.
AJ!
What? I saved one for me.
Wow!
No i kurde. Co? Nie znalazłem 3 rzeczy na 6. Mogłeś nie drążyć tematu w piwnicy. Mogłem, ale zobacz, ciekawe czy będzie co w następnym.
No pewnie, to jest każdy.
Sneak peek.
Nie?
A nie ma. Dobra, także ten epizod to był pierwszy epizod którego sezonu? Czwartego. Ostatniego sezonu, najdłuższy. Trwał 2,5 godziny. Także dziękujemy wszystkim za uwagę na YouTubie. Zapraszamy do podzielenia się swoimi spostrzeżeniami w komentarzach. Według mnie ten epizod był lepszy od całego sezonu poprzedniego, serio. No, poziomem stoi o wiele wyżej niż ostatni sezon. Także bardzo mi się podobało. I tyle. Dziękujemy za uwagę. Zostawcie łapki w górę, wpadajcie na streamy i pa. Widzimy się w kolejnym epizodzie. Mam nadzieję nie za pół roku. Cięcie.